Hey guys, Nick Hutchins with MarineMax Clearwater here. I've got a 2019 Boston Whaler 11 tender that just showed up. And while this is the most simple of boats that Boston Whaler makes, they still don't skimp on any quality anywhere. You can see you still have a stainless telescoping swim ladder to board, all of your stainless bars, and integrated into the bars. That little hole there is for your oars. We've even got a switch for your nav and anchor lights. Big heavy duty tie downs for bringing it on and off the platform. And an anchor storage with, again, Boston Whalers high quality stainless steel cleats everywhere you look. If you guys have any other questions or need one of these, please feel free to give me a call.